Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Padhe. I am from East of Class branch of Edumentor. Today I am going to share my brief experience from the IM workshop that was conducted by Edumentor. The workshop certainly has helped us in many aspects of our preparation. It is safe to say that they have provided the environment that an aspirant needs during their preparation. The faculty there also has helped us in clearing our doubts, time management, and many more things. I think these are the small differences that stood between us and our desired colleges. So, with the help of Edumentor and the faculty, it has become a cakewalk for us to clear the IPMAT exams and other entrance exams. So, to sum it up, I think the workshop that was conducted by Edumentor was not a want but a necessity for the aspirants out there. Thank you.